Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Patrick Lancaster. I'm one of our sales and leasing consultants. I'd like to take you out on the lot today and show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty and 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service as well. Come with me. Here we have a 2016 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power side mirrors with integrated turn signals, step rails, and deep tinted glass. Looking for a mid-size pickup that can do it all? You should definitely check out the 2016 Toyota Tacoma. This Tacoma has 16-inch alloy wheels and all-terrain tires with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Tacoma is in great condition. It has auto-off projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps along with fog lights, a tow hook, and a really nice black grille with a chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 6-cylinder 3.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Tacoma has 4-wheel drive and it's estimated that drivers receive 20 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Tacoma has only 41,726 miles on it. At the back of the Tacoma, you can see the antenna, the cargo lamp, and the sliding rear window along with the locking tailgate, the tow package, step bumper, and LED brake lights. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Tacoma has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the cup holders and the door bins, as well as the underseat and seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Tacoma is also equipped with a locking glove box, wireless phone charging, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks, and the power windows with driver one-touch up and down. This Tacoma has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. This touchscreen display is home to your in-tune premium multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect external devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even includes voice recognition. You have large climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this was a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes the 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended maintenance here at Sparks. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, the lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, 10% loyalty parts and service discounts, lifetime complimentary rental car for any service over $400, lifetime discounted pickup and delivery for any service work at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, and lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please contact us at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.